The culmination of a case that has gone on for 8 years, this was a significant ruling by Seoul's District Court.
정말 감개가 무량합니다.
I feel deeply moved. It is the very first court ruling in favor of these victims of the Japanese army.
The case was brought on behalf of 12 surviving so-called comfort women or their families. Young women or girls who were forced to work in wartime brothels by the Japanese Imperial Army during World War II. The court ruled all had endured unimaginable mental and physical pain and had not been compensated. They were each awarded the equivalent of more than $90,000 US.
어떻게 보면 더 큰 파장이 있을지도 모르죠.
This could have wider consequences. Japan prides itself on being a civilized country, yet it has not addressed this humanitarian issue since its defeat in 1945.
Japan has refused to recognize this case, maintaining it goes against the internationally held norm of sovereign immunity, that no nation can prosecute another through its courts.
We demand that South Korea takes the appropriate response to correct this breach of international law.
As far as Japan is concerned, this issue is over. It says all matters relating to South Korea's wartime suffering were settled by an agreement in 1965 when the two countries normalized relations, and that a further compensation agreement, specifically for the comfort women, was signed in 2015 that was meant to settle the matter finally and irreversibly. Tokyo has been angered by other court rulings in favor of South Korean victims of wartime forced labor. That led to deteriorating diplomatic relations and a trade dispute. And this latest ruling looks certain to further sour relations. But for South Korea's comfort women, this case represents a form of justice after more than 75 years. Rob McBride, Al Jazeera, Seoul.